It is two-stroke night. We are working on the two-stroke tonight. Welcome back, everybody, to Ottawa Valley Vintage Motorcycles. This episode we're going to pressurize the crankcase. I want to see if my crank seals are leaking. So we're going to put a pressure test on this and see how much pressure it's holding or if it's leaking. I don't know if you remember in our last episode, we had these stock ones on and we found that they were leaking through here. You see how they're all oblong and they were starting to get a little cracked in that. So I ordered up a new set, but when I got them, the crossover tubes were too big. So I ordered up a bigger crossover tube. So we'll get these put on. We got some new gaskets. We got some new clamps. We'll get those on and then we'll do a pressure test. And we'll start by just getting these carbs out of the way. And then we'll set I left the reeds inside. We'll get our boots put on and tighten them down and get them plugged up. All right, we got our crossover tube on and our clamps down. Next, we're gonna plug up both these intakes and the exhaust. I'm gonna use my little kit I have here. Hey, Snippy. What are you up to? What are you up to? Gonna give me a hand? Okay, so I'm gonna plug up my exhaust. Just jam that in there like that. And then tighten this down. Make sure she's good and tight. We don't want any air leaks. I'll put the other one in, like so. So we'll get these both tightened down and then we'll plug up these guys. Okay, so I got those on there good and tight. Now to plug up the intakes. Put that one in down there. We'll get a clamp for that. Clamp that down. Okay, so we got this all plugged up really good. So we're going to start giving it some pressure. It should hold 6 psi for 6 minutes, and it shouldn't drop any more than half a psi. So 6 psi is 310. So let's pump this up. Okay, I got everything tightened down here now, and I seem to be holding pressure. This is good. So now I have to hold 6 psi for 6 minutes. So I gotta pump this up to 310, which would be 6 psi. So there's 300, there's 310. So we'll start the timer at 6 minutes and see where we're at. That's really great news. It hasn't dropped at all. It's allowed to drop about 26, so which is half a psi, and it didn't drop at all over the 6 minutes. So that's a good indication that these crank seals are actually good, and I should be able to run this bike. I was having trouble tuning it because I had such a leak through here. I was running the lean mixture. So now that I got the leak fixed, hopefully this bike will run okay. So stick with me. And that's the end of this episode of Ottawa Valley Vintage Motorcycles. But we're going to continue working on this bike and hopefully get a little test ride for you in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe if you want to see more content on this bike. That's nice to see it hold that pressure. I'm excited.